Hello traders, the title of the video is what is swing trading à la carte, technical trading à la carte. Is Italian? À la carte is a French also, alright? So we want to talk about what is swing trading à la carte, technical trading. So if you have been swing trading, alright, and you have been giving away your money, your hard-earned money over the year, you want to understand what is swing trading à la carte, all right? And I will explain it to you today. As a swing trader, that's why I say to traders, we must spend more time on the trading setup. For a swing trader, you cannot afford to trade all kind of trading setup. You want to master your trading setup. You want to understand your trading setup and be able to trade it, okay, fluently. All right. So today, what I'm doing, I want to give to you a simple swing trading a la carte, as you can see here. Very often, when we are talking about consolidation, trader will think of a horizontal channel. Okay, it's normal. That's the time when we see a consolidation. What is happening during that time? A lot of traders will sell at the top and the price hit the median line. They will take a bit of profit. And when you hit the lower base of the consolidation, they will close the trade and initiate another bullish trade. As they initiate a bullish trade, if the price start going up and reaches the midpoint, they will take a first profit. And if you reach the ultimate target, which is the upper level of the consolidation, they will close that bullish trade and again initiate, all right, another bearish trade. In all cases, they are using what we call a different time frame trading method. There is another time when the price also will consolidate is during triangle. The price can oscillate between two key levels. This is the resistance level here, and this is a support level. So what they were doing during the consolidation in horizontal channel, they will be doing the same thing when the price is consolidating in a triangle. Now, sometimes you will see a bigger triangle. Stay with me, please, if you are swing trader. So if you are not swing trader, please come back another time because this discussion is for swing traders, all right? Sometimes you may have a bigger triangle, all right? And within that bigger triangle, you will have a smaller triangle. Or sometimes you may have even a bigger horizontal channel. And within that bigger horizontal channel, you may have a smaller triangle. So that you may have a consolidation within a consolidation. Right, so you may see something like this. So you have the bigger triangle like this. And then within that bigger triangle, you may have another triangle like this. All right. So as it's going down from this part, this lower part going out, as you reach this circle, oscillating like this. All right. And then hit this level and then come out again. And so on and so on. So you may have multiple consolidation within a wide range of consolidation. So sometimes traders only see a narrow consolidation. Another thing that I want you to understand, sometimes you may see, for instance, a bigger consolidation on the weekly chart and a smaller consolidation on the 4-hour time frame and a tiny consolidation on the 15-minute time frame. It's all going on all the time. But what we are about to discuss today, why am I talking about consolidation? Yes, because the consolidation allows swing traders to swing trade a la carte. And the most beautiful, all right, beautiful, gorgeous, allow me to use my imagination a little bit, all right? The most beautiful swing trading a la carte very often will occur in a rising channel. So you say to me, Joe, you are completely wrong. Consolidation never takes place in a rising channel. That's one example here. This is a consolidation in a rising channel. This allows a swing trader to swing trade a la carte. This is exactly what the swing traders are doing here. So you may say to me, Joe, how do you know that this is a consolidation? The price is rising. Okay, hold on a second. Stay with me, please. And I will explain it to you what I meant by consolidation in a rising channel. And you want to understand this, and so you also may master swing trading a la carte that traders are doing right there. All right, so as you can see here in this rising channel, all right, will you agree? Anytime the price reaches the upper level of the consolidation, it is finding a resistance. Why is it consolidating? It's consolidating between, okay, you can see here, as it went up to this resistance level, all right, you see, there was a resistance here, all right? Look, another resistance here. So it hit the top. No big difference between the resistance and this one here. And again, look carefully. We have another resistance here. Look at the difference between this resistance and this one. No big difference. Now it starts trying to go out now. It's trying to escape, so to speak, the barrier. Okay, because the consolidation has been going on since 2014. Now in 2018, there are 4 years now. People want to break out of that consolidation, to break the consensus, so to speak, of that a la carte swing trading. But take it from me. A lot of swing traders are looking for magic formulas or something exciting. But there's nothing exciting, or there are a lot of things exciting sometimes, but nothing magic in the financial market. Professional traders that are dealing with a lot of money, so they pay you a lot of money to trade for client. As a professional trader, you don't want to lose the money of your client. So how do you do that? You want to find trading setups that are easy to trade, that are simple and easy to trade, that will not waste your client money, so you can keep your job as a professional trader. Because if you keep losing money, the hedge fund managers will send you out, isn't it? Yes or no? So they try to find the best scenario when they can just, like an eagle, stay on it until they catch the big fish in the water. That's what they do. So they stay focused. And when they are doing this kind of game, they like it because, in fact, you see here, the price try to escape. They say, no, we don't want that, we don't want that. Oh, it was good before. So they were playing this for years now. They know about this a la carte swing trading. And they say, who is pushing it out, So they want to, you see, here, try to escape. They say, no, we like it to stay here more. All right? But there can be a consolidation in a rising channel. And that type of consolidation, like it's happening here, allows swing traders to swing trade a la carte. So what is happening? How do you trade it? It's not about the old way of trading where you just sell here. All right. Some professional traders trade like that. They will just sell because of the amount of money at their disposal, or their risk control, or their trading style. So that when they lose, they may be using the same stop loss. So they just sell, they lose, they need to buy again, they will sell again, they will sell again. All right. But they are disciplined about what they are doing. All right. But for somebody who does not have enough money at his disposal, he or she, in fact, in all cases, one must use different time frame trading method. So you see here, boom, 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 up. So in fact, we will say, he went up, he ricocheted here, he touched it here, come back down. See here, he tried to go down. It's this way we are talking. People took profit at the media line. So remember, people are taking profit here. So he bounced up, he hit the top, they sell it back down. Now people will be thinking, oh, he found a support here. So here they will try. So how do you trade it here? We will use a different time frame trading method. All right. So you may say, Joe, what is a different time frame trading method? And I will say to you, all right, you do search, a video playlist called talking about mastering a top-down trading method by 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel, digit 4 Stock Trader YouTube channel. You'll definitely see that. There are 5 videos in that playlist, and you also can learn to master what we call a different time frame trading method. So here you see calm down after that candlestick. So if you're on a monthly chart, that candlestick that is touching this lower base should be closed. But you know what? Trading a la carte is not automated trading method. All right. Though you are using a different time frame trading method, you want to keep eyes on the price. What do I mean by that? Look at this. So I'm going to remove some line because the reason why I'm speaking slowly is because I want to get your attention so no one is disturbing you. All right. So you can understand clearly the procedure that you must follow. Okay. Now, pay attention to this high here. The price is, I'm going to remove that, okay? The price is consolidating in a rising channel. Look at this high here. So it touches here. This is a high, isn't it? So anytime you see a high, during that consolidated a la carte, you will find excellent, repeat, excellent, high probability swing trading a la carte setup when you are doing this. So now you place there was a high there. Look, at the time when the price was retesting this point here, at the point, you see why this candlestick got a tail here, because the price exhibited a new higher high, which one? Here, and also here, a high, and was retesting the prior high. Where are we? We are at the lower base. Prior retesting prior high and finding a support. So this candlestick bar appears to you. You see, there were a lot of blah 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 here. The reason, so I can guess, so to speak, I can guess that probably the reason why this one got a long tail, there were some people who placed order here to buy. They were taken out of the trade first before the price went up. It's happening all the time. So anytime you place a limit order to buy, all right, it's visible in the financial market. And there are other traders that may trade against that trade. They are not manipulating the market. They are contrarian traders. They know that people will try to buy here. But what do? They come and sell. What are evil traders? Are they evil? They are not. All right? You see here? So he was retesting. This is a very, very good setup. Look how the price went up. Boom, 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 boom to the top without any blah, blah, blah. You see here? But before that, some people were taking out. That's why you must use the thought that. So when you are trading a la carte, all right, you want to know where are the previous high and what is happening. Watch this one here. So you can see there were a lot of closing price in this zone. You really agree? So the price went to retail, but there were a lot of closing price here. Again here, look. Will you agree? Will you agree? So price was touching this point. In fact, a kind of small consolidation here. Again, a la carte intersection of a previous high and the lower base of the rising channel. We will do the opposite in a downtrend to sell, which means a prior low intersection of the upper level of the declining channel in a downtrend. Those will be the point where we'll be watching when we are swing trading a la carte. All right, here it is again. Again, look here. Is it true? So we put this one here. There was a high here. You see this high? So though you may be thinking that people are just buying at the lower base, they are not just buying at the lower base. And anytime the price was retesting the prior high, they will respond. If it's the intersection of the prior high and the lower base of the rising channel, they will respond because they know that this is normally a good setup and they want to be part of it. You see? Swing trading a la carte. All right, swing trading a la carte. So now we have another key level. You see, pay attention to the closing price. So there were many closing price here. We can put it here though, but there were a lot of many closing price here. Look what the price did here. The price is trying to come out of the channel. First, you see, it tried to come out here. Again, try to come out here with a tall bullish candlestick bar. Somebody is getting tired of the price staying in this channel for too long. So if you see the force, so to speak, the bullish force in this candlestick bar is quite strong. Another one, they say, no, bring it out. Now again, you see, so now what can we tell traders? Though the consolidation has been going on for years, since 2014, it looks to me that the bullish traders are becoming very aggressive. So at this junction, or at this juncture, am I speaking with my beautiful Texas accent or with my Bangalore? Beautiful in Bangalore is in India, Bangalore accent. All right. All right, here it is. So we will say to traders, priority. So if we put it really horizontal, so this line is not properly horizontal. Okay, let me put a proper horizontal line there to please the trader that wants to know, can you do something accurate in your life? Okay. All right. Then I will say, yes, please, sir. So now you see, that's the closing pattern. So we say to the priority bullish signal above $86.47 and priority bearish signal below that level. So we need to be very careful. So you see, people that are selling here now should be very, very careful because you can see after the prior was retesting the prior high, this high here, the swing trader a la carte did acknowledge that, and you can see that the progression of the price. Look at the progression of the price. If you compare, this is what you want to interpret the language of the price, and also at the same time carefully measure the strength of the bullish momentum in the NAV trend rising channel and the strength of the bearish momentum. We may say, oh, it's a balanced market, but as the market has been balanced, so to say that equal force between bullish trader and bearish trader for some time, after a while, the balanced market will be followed by an imbalanced market. That's what we call market profile. The rotation of the market patterns, horizontal to the rising, horizontal to the declining, and so on, triangle to the rising, triangle to the declining, and so on, rising channel converted into horizontal, horizontal converted to rising, and so on, the rotation of market pattern. So though as this was going on, you can see here, if you compare this prime of here, you see, to this latest one here, you can see that this latest, as the price achieved the same length before, here it couldn't, almost the same, all right, here almost the same, all right, but now here we are, it has extended, okay, the bullish progression here. So now if you were using this as your measuring stick before, you have to now, okay, because it's now, I'll have to adjust it. I will not explain it to you why, but I'll put it like this now because it's here. It's not useful to me. I'll bring it here by adjusting it like this. So the bullish momentum has started increasing more when we reach this level. So we'll say to trader, be careful. The game of a la carte trading, swing trading, the consolidation in a rising channel is looking to me that it's coming to an end. We need to be very careful. Priority to bullish signal above 8647 using a different time frame trading method, and priority to bearish signal below it. So it will be nicer at the end of September today. All right, September 2018. Today is 25th of September. We may, in October, it will be nicer to have a bearish candlestick bar. Or if you push it out, we would like to see after October a bearish candlestick bar, the retest. That would be great, and we take it from there. So this will conclude our discussion today about what is a swing trading, a la carte, a technical trading. So now you know it, now you see it, I explain it to you. If you think that Joe, something is not very clear to me, I want to know more, put in the comment section. I always read the comment, and in due course, I will be recording another video, okay, to answer your specific question. I would like to take this opportunity also to thank traders that have been very, very proactive recently on 24 Area Way channel at dayprotrader.com. They are asking questions, they are putting suggestions there. I'm taking notes. All the notes are here. Can you hear? Can you hear? Yeah, I note them down. All right. And then in due course, I go back to that. While there were questions asked by Topa, questions asked by PMC, LLC. Okay, all those traders were asking questions. And this is how we want to work on YouTube. Trader ask for questions. If you have the data, so if you ask for Bitcoin, I don't have data for Bitcoin. Ask for stock in India, I don't have data for those. But this is about technical trading, educational videos. All right. So if this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by sticking your beautiful thumbs up. So you stick your beautiful thumbs up, I know that, okay, I've done a good job. You think that, George, I'm not impressed at all right, mark it down. Then I know that, okay, I need to go back to my YouTube creator board and work harder for you next time, all right? But do not mark the video down if you are not a swing trader or you are not interested in swing trading, because this discussion is for a swing trader. Because sometimes they say, John, you're talking too much of this topic. I'm getting tired of it. I know about it already. Shut up, please, George. Talk about something else. But just give those traders in a bit of time so I'll go over those things, all right? So you may say, George, I'm more experienced trader, or you are going backward again. So step aside and wait for us as we are dealing with newcomers, all right? If you find this video as an essential tutorial that can help other swing traders, feel free to share it on Google+, on Twitter, on Facebook, and also on Tumblr. So to summarize the video, we are looking for a consolidation trading setup, either in a horizontal channel, all right, a triangle, or a declining channel. But the swing trading a la carte very often will occur in a rising channel or a declining channel. Though the price is going down, It's not going far. It's just consolidating, as I'll show you here. You want to keep your eyes open. Watch the intersection between the prior high and the lower base of the rising channel, and the intersection between the prior low and the upper level of the declining channel. As you find a trading setup as a swing trader, you want to investigate, is it good enough? Do I like it? Check the market environment, implement the trading drill, and now apply, okay, the top-down trading method, the setup, the signal, and a low-risk entry point using different time frame trading method. Control the risk, all right? Control the risk, and do not expose yourself too much. And if you work beautifully, you'll be smiling, all right? And you will say, George, you are the man, all right? If it doesn't work for the first time, okay, practice more, polish more. What I recommend to trader, you learn something practical like this about swing trading. You say, George, yes, this is exactly what I need at this moment. Don't go and trade straight away. Use a demo account, practice. You will see different challenges. Come back and ask questions. Watch the video again until you master it. Once you master it, now you own it. As a swing trader, you know exactly what to expect. You see the different scenarios that have occurred when you were practicing. Now you are ready for it. You take it one step at a time. So all you will do, you go to different charts. Okay, you see now how I find this. I was going to the chart, so that's why I like TC2000. So I can just go like this. See, the stock we are analyzing today is Allegiance, a PLC, a peak. ALLE, Alpha Lima Echo. So how do I find that? I just go like this. Very simple. That's why I'll say to you, I'm kind of, I don't use trading software to find I just go like this, you see? Just go like this, looking different chart. And then when I see something, I stop. You see? That's what you need to do. Just go through. And you will see sometime, as I show you now, okay, that stock, you'll see here, you spot it straight away, yes, this is a la carte swing trading is going on here. A professional are enjoying themselves, and you want to join them too. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the GSTW24 traders talking about what is swing trading, a la carte technical trading. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you for watching.